frosted? I can't even tell.
Shine, shine, shine.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel.
Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel.
Okay, I'm sorry. Let me stop. I'm sorry. You guys know that I'm a little crazy. It's Kiara. Thank you guys so much for stopping by, and if you're new here, go ahead and subscribe. Thank you for stopping by. Go ahead and join the family. I know you want to. Guys, I'm so sorry. If you guys see them behind me, I don't know why they're behind me. Guys, you need to leave. You need to leave. Ow! Sorry. Where was I? What was I talking about? Today's video, I'm gonna be doing an unboxing of my new glasses. I have a lot of glasses, guys. I have a huge collection. So, I will probably be doing a video soon of my glasses collection.
That glasses collection.
Let's get to it, to the unboxing. Now, if you guys do not know what Firmoo is, Firmoo is it's online
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
Eyeglasses, I guess, place where you can get eyeglasses. I don't really have a clear frame in my collection. I'm always getting hair in my mouth. I'm gonna leave all the prices and the name of the frames below, but here they go right here. So it actually comes in this cute little case. Well, this is kind of new. My previous frames that I've got from here, they never came with this little, what do you call it? And it comes in this little case. It's a clear case. Previous years, they actually had like a more sturdier, harder case. And let me see if I actually have that. Let me see if I have one of those. So in previous years, they actually had this case right here, as you can see. It's a really nice, cute detailing. Looked like an atlas or a world map, which I really thought was super duper cute. And it has like the embossed Firmoo logo right here. Compared to this one, I mean, I actually prefer these better. Just like the way it looks more aesthetically pleasing than this right here. But hey, beggars can be choosers, right? So it has, oh wait, I need that. Come back. It comes with this little, what do you call this? What do you call this, a wipe? A cloth, there we go.
Wow.
My brain. Not thinking straight. Here are the frames here. Super cute, super clear. The sides, very simple detailing. And I don't know if you guys can see, but I think the camera's picking up like a blue coating on the frames or the lens itself. What this is, it's just the blue light for, they say the blue lighting is good for your eyes when you're in front of a computer a lot, or when you're on your phone for an extended period of time. So I work mainly in front of the computer 8 hours a day. So I decided to get the blue coating. So yeah, you can kind of see that. It's kind of irritating, but it's kind of cute. But let me go ahead and try these on. It's actually perfect. It's actually really pretty. You guys see that? This is how they look. This is really cute. I actually really like these. I like it. So, I thought they had like some gold detail. I guess the only gold detailing is on, I don't know if you guys can see that. Let me open these up. So the only gold detailing is actually on this little, the nose piece. Other than that, they're just clear frames. That was my first pair. On to the next unboxing. Still in this cute little cloth thing. Comes with like some type of doohickey to where you want, okay, I don't know the names. I'm sorry guys. I'm really bad with names. So once you guys start feeling me and coming by more often, I'm gonna just be making up names. So this little doohickey right here, or when you want to adjust your frames. That's what it is. So I don't know if you guys can see that. Okay. All right, on to this pair. This is how they look. Can you guys see that? Super cute frames. They're pink. They're like a tortoise, but instead of the brown or yellow tone, it's actually pink. So I don't know if you guys can see that. Super cute pink tortoise detailing, and it has like the little cat eye with the round square at the bottom, and they have the gold bridge right here. I think that's the only gold detailing. It's just the bridge right here, the nose bridge. Other than that, the whole thing is the pink tortoise. So let's go ahead and try them on.
Oh my gosh, they're so cute!
Yeah, let me bring it down. I get overly excited when it comes to frames. Like overly excited. I will be showing you guys my collection soon, so please stay tuned. If you guys have any questions or comments or anything, leave them down below in the comment section, and I promise I'll get back with you. I'm actually really good. I'm really good at replying back, so don't be shy. Speak to me, talk to me. Let's connect, okay? Thank you guys so much for my over 100 subscribers. I know it's not a lot to some, but it's a lot to me, and I truly appreciate it. I still am amazed that 100 people watching me. Like, when you put it into perspective like that, it's like, wow. Like, wow, me. But yeah, I guess that's it, guys. Until next time, peace, love, bye.